As you can see, this is a pretty short page, so we're just going to set it up and then I'll let you do the math together. So, Ollie has 1 3/5 bags of chips, and he wants to share his chips with 3 of his friends. How nice. How many bags of chips will each friend get? So, let's start by setting up our problem. So, we know that he has 3 friends, and he wants to divide the bags of chips. So he wants to split up this 1 3/5 bags. So now let's solve this. So in the previous problem, we changed our whole number into a improper fraction. So that's the first step we're going to do. We're going to change it to an improper fraction. And now, since we changed that to an improper fraction, we have to change this to an improper fraction too. So take a minute and do that. All right, so I did my math in orange. I got 3/1 divided by 8/5. And now let's do our keep, change, flip. So pause and come back and check your work. So you should have found that each friend will get 15/8 bags of chips. But we have to reduce this. So let's think about 2 times 8 is 16, but we only have 15/8. So if we say each friend gets 1, then we're going to take 15 minus 8, which will get us to 7. Each friend gets 7/8 bags of chips. So let's rewrite that in our sentence. Nice job.